Salut tout le monde! Today I've got something pretty cool to share with you. For those of us who love filming on our iPhone, the SmallRig Mobile Video Kit Brandon Lee Edition might be just the setup that takes our iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max to the next level. So let's see if this can really turn your iPhone into pro-level filming rig. We'll unbox it, set it up together, and I even share some tips to get the most out of it. Alright, let's get into it. If you haven't heard, SmallRig is well known in the world of filmmaking gear for their solid, reliable product. I've got the Brandon Lee Edition right here. My first impression, it feels premium. Let's look what we have in the box. First up here, we have the Filmmakers mobile phone case, a sleek solid case to give your iPhone a strong secure base. The Filmmakers capture grip, a nice grip designed to keep things steady and comfortable when you want something small. The video cage, this cage gives us plenty of mounting points, perfect for customizing. The rotatable handle, we have two of those, can rotate and give better control over angle and shot. And one of them have Bluetooth for quick remote control without touching the phone. This is ideal for solo filmmaking. Here we have the magnetic filter adapter, the 129 stop VND filter, the T-mount mounting plate if you want to attach lens on your iPhone, a rubber frame if we want to shoot in wet condition or if it's too hot for the iPhone. This is going to help to cool down your iPhone. A small pocket to protect your VND filter, a push pocket to protect your gear. As you can see, everything feels sturdy and designed with Filmmaker in mind. Now let's set it up so you can see how it works. I'll take you through the steps to make sure you're ready to film like a pro. First, let's put a case on it. It's made for iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, so it should fit perfectly. This case is solid and giving your phone a sturdy base to add everything else. I put my iPhone 16 Pro Max in it. The iPhone fits very well and it adds a basic protection. All the buttons are working very well and you can use it for everyday protection and it will be okay. Now let's add the control grip. The color fits very well. To set it up, just slide it on the case and push the lock button. Small lock here. See the click, and now you're ready to go. Also on the bottom there is a 1/4 20 threaded hole where you can attach a tripod on it or other accessories. The grip gives more stability and comfort while filming for long period, and you have something light in your hand. Also, it's very easy to put in your pocket if you want. Here I have the video cage. The color is very nice. This look is coming from black to green. We have the Brandon Lee signature just right here. There is a lot of mounting points all around. It's very sturdy. You cannot break it. It's impossible. So to install the iPhone in it, you just have to first, you're gonna have to remove the film of grip. Just push on the lock and put on the side. Just align the phone. You have a small lock just right here. You push it on this way. This will raise the small lock here. Just put your lens like this. Just slide your phone in it. Push the lock. Okay, just press it to lock it. As you can see, the iPhone is set securely in place. Next, we'll add the rotatable handle. First, I add the Bluetooth version. To know it's the Bluetooth, you have a small light just here. Just have to put it in it. Just have to hold just here. Lock it. It's locked in place. Okay, the Bluetooth is good for 30 feet or 10 meters, depending on your region. You can rotate it the way you want it. I will install the one I use on the left side. Okay, As you can see, it's pretty secure. You have a comfortable grip, so it's helpful for dynamic shot. And if you want to remove the top rubber, you will have more mounting point. This one you have a cold shoe there. Okay, you have another cold shoe here. And if you remove the Bluetooth, you're going to be able to start your recording or take a photo further. You under rotate to give you a comfortable grip. You can adjust it the way you want it. It's very easy to change the location of the grip. You just have to press here and put it like this. You can turn it like this. Go this way. If you want to go in vertical, okay, you can turn it. If you want to use external lens, we have the T-mount lens. Just slide the lining on the top. See, you just have to align this like this. You see the two small holes here, they go on the top. You're gonna hear a small click, and now you're ready to install your T-mount lens. I don't have anyone, so it's just to show it to you. If you want to remove it, just push it, and that's it. Now I will install the VND filter adapter. You have an arrow just right here. Just install it on it. Gonna hear the click. Look. And when you want to place your VND filter on it, okay. This one is a 1-to-9 stop. It's very good for outside. And it's ready. You just have to turn it to adjust it the way you want it. It's magnetic. Magnet is good, it's strong. Just have to care not to hit it on the side here like this. But it's very nice and it's gonna be very practical to control your light. I have a quick tip for you. If you want to connect it to a tripod, I have a small Aka Swiss plate. I just have to screw it on the bottom of the cage. And voila, you're ready to install it on a tripod. So the next step is about connecting an SSD to my iPhone. I have this handy MagSafe plate that I stick a Velcro on it. And guess what? On the back of the SSD, I also have a Velcro. The only thing I have to do is to connect an USB 3.2 cable on the iPhone. Connect the cable to the SSD. Place the SSD on the MagSafe plate. And voila! I can now record in ProRes even at a whopping 120 frames per second. Pretty cool, eh? Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and add a comment down below. This will be very appreciated. Thanks. Alright, let's take this rig outside and see what it can do. We'll test stability, control, and how it works in real condition. First, I'm noticing how stable my shots feel with this capture grip. Even with handheld shot, my footage is smoother and feel more professional. Switching angle, it's easy with handheld grip. And the Bluetooth control is great for solo shot, and I can start recording without touching the phone. This VND filter helps with light control, so I can adjust exposure as I go. I could keep my shutter speed where I want it for that cinematic blur effect without compromising on exposure. This is great for outdoor shots, where the light changes all the time. With the sturdy protective frame, I feel confident even filming near water or in top water. This setup feels ready for anything. So what the verdict? After testing the SmallRig Brandley edition, I'm impressed. It gives a real pro feel with stability, flexibility, and control. If you're like me and love experimenting with new shots, this kit is a great investment. Thanks for watching. If this review was helpful, give it a thumb up. And if you're into mobile filmmaking like I am, hit subscribe for more tips. Have a question or thought on setup, leave a comment down below. I love to chat with you. À la prochaine and happy filming. Bye!